Hi, my name is Jenny. I am Vancouver Island University's international recruiter for Southeast Asia. Vancouver Island University is a public university in British Columbia. It's located on beautiful Vancouver Island, surrounded by oceans, rivers, forests. VIU offers an inspiring environment where learning meets adventure. Our top 5 programs at Vancouver Island Universities are Bachelor of Business Administration, MBA, Bachelor of Tourism Management, Bachelor of Education, Bachelor of Computer Science. We do have diploma in youth care, diploma in culinary. At VIU, we offer a really strong student support services such as academic advising, where the team will help our student in course selection or programs planning. We also provide tutoring service to students who want to strengthen their skills, for example, math skill or writing skills. We also have our career studio to help students who need to find jobs so they can access to the job posting, or we can help them in drafting their resume, prepare for interview. With small class size, maximum class size is 34 students in the class, strong students support services, affordable tuition fee, affordable living costs in Nanaimo. Let's start your journey at VIU and apply through Pacific Premier. Thank you.